What is going on, everyone? In this video, we are going to review the Opove M3Pro massage gun, one of the more popular massage guns on Amazon, over 5,000 reviews. So looking forward to giving it a whirl. Also gonna go over some of the specs and one of my favorite parts, the sound meter test. See how many decibels it is. Is it loud? Is it quiet? Who knows? But we will find out in this review. If you want to check it out and you want to know more about this massage gun, stay tuned. All right, let's get it started with what do you get with your purchase, and one of Amazon's top massage guns, over 5,000 reviews. Very impressive. And I actually have not opened it yet, so this will be the first time actually seeing it and holding it. So let's get it started. Oh, cool, they gave me the camo version. So this is what it looks like. We'll do a little spin. And the top. And the bottom, and it comes with 4 attachments. We have the round, we have the flat, we have the bullet, and we have the fork. Also comes with a charger. This plugs into the wall, this plugs into the charger, and then this plugs into the bottom of the massage gun, or right there. And it also comes with a case. And this is a little bit wider than most massage gun cases. Usually they're a little bit thicker and not as wide. This one is definitely different shaped, which is kind of cool. So let me put some of this stuff away. We'll keep one attachment. I'll just toss these in here and I'll put it over to the side. And let's pop this in. So we pop in the attachment. The on-off button is at the bottom. And then you press this button over here. Whoop. And now, since I already clicked it, let's go into how many speeds it has. Let's talk about speed of the M3 Pro, and all of the information I'm getting is off of their Amazon listing, and it has 3 different levels. It starts off with level 1, which is 1,800 RPMs. Then it goes up to level 2 to 2,400 RPMs. And then the last level, level 3, goes up to 3,200 RPMs. The amplitude, essentially how deep the massage is going to be and how far back and forth this goes, is 12 millimeters. And let's go right into the battery life. Battery life is 3 hours on a single charge, and it is detachable from the unit as well, which some massage guns have, some massage guns do not have. And the stall force, according to the website, according to their Amazon listing, it's 30 pounds. So stall force is how much can you push into basically your body before it stalls and stops. So 30 pounds for the M3 Pro. And now let's go into feel. Now let's talk about feel of the M3 Pro, and I know it's hard to convey feel through a video, but let's talk about some of the specs of the massage gun and how I would categorize this compared to some of the other massage guns on the market. Also, I'll use it on myself and I'll try to explain it to you. So the M3 Pro, the company, they claim it as a percussion massage device, and from the previous massage guns that I've reviewed, I would probably put this in between more of a vibrational and percussion, maybe a little bit closer to the vibrational side. And the reason why is the way I categorize things are percussive. I would say it's a higher amplitude, so how deep it goes, and then slower RPMs, lower RPMs, which increases the time in between contacts, where vibrational is, I would say, a little bit less of a amplitude, but higher RPMs. And I categorize the Vibration Labs massage gun as vibrational, which has the same RPMs at the highest level at 3,200. This has slightly higher amplitude, but not as high as Theragun. So that's why I'm putting it a little bit closer to the vibrational side of things. But let's give it a shot on the forearm. And we'll just go with level 1. And it feels great. And it's very similar to, again, more of a vibrational one, where if you watch that Theragun review, it's a little bit louder and it really packs a punch, but not necessarily a bad thing, just a preference thing. So let's go into one of my favorite parts. It's how loud is this massage gun? Let's go into one of my favorite parts, and that is checking the noise level on the massage gun. So I have a sound level meter. I'm gonna turn it on. And the M3 Pro on the Amazon listing, it has it from 35 decibels to 55. And in my previous videos, 35 to 40 was about the sound level of my apartment. So we'll see how it stacks up with the M3 Pro, but let's get what the decibels in this room is right now. And I have the AC running today and got the lights a little bit closer, so we'll see where it lands. So right now the decibel level just in essentially a quiet room with the AC running is 43 decibels. So already off the bat, this massage gun should be quieter than 42, but we'll check it out. So level 1 is about 46 decibels, so a little bit higher than the 35 that they claim. Let's go to level 2. About 47, 48. Now let's go to the last level. And about, again, like 48. So it's definitely not as quiet as 35 decibels, but it is under the 55. Actually stayed under 50 decibels. So fairly quiet unit. And now let's go over what it looks like, because I'm sure you've been watching this and you're saying this looks very similar to another massage gun, another popular massage gun on the market. So let's go into that discussion right now. And before we get to the price, let's talk about what does the M3 Pro compare to. And I'm sure if anyone has looked into massage guns, probably right off the bat you are saying this looks very similar to a Hypervolt. And if we put them right next to each other, you can tell they are very, very similar. Some small subtleties just from looking at it, but it looks like very similar features. You can see that functionality. Batteries detached, bottom power source is very similar. Again, like the grip is different on this one. So because they are very similar in specs and looks, probably gonna go down to price, right? So Hypervolt, I've been seeing recently anything from $299 to $349, and the M3 Pro on Amazon is $199. So when it comes down to a price standpoint, this one seems like it's anywhere from $100 to $150 cheaper. And that is a review of the M3 Pro. You get the case, you get 4 attachments, you get the unit. Very quiet compared to a lot of the massage guns on the market. And you get a little bit of a hybrid between a Vibration Labs massage gun and maybe a Theragun too. So maybe if you don't want that Theragun loudness, but maybe you want a little bit more amplitude, this one is pretty good, especially at the price point. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. Do you have a preference of massage guns? Do you want to see more massage gun reviews in the future? And maybe what do you like and what do you not really like about this unit? I would love to hear the comments, and that is it for this review, the Opove M3 Pro. If you like this video and you want to see more of these massage gun reviews, please smash the like button, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.